Hello dear friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Ashgwanda tea for hair growth. So this is how Ashgwanda looks like. So I'm getting our warm water, a bowl, a sieve, a spray bottle, and some spoons for measurements. Of course, spoons are not recommended, but if it's for DIY, it's okay. And the plastic. So I'm getting my bowl and my spoon. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Ashgwanda powder. And I'm pouring in 100 grams of warm water. I really love the color. It's so beautiful. So I'm getting my spoon to stir it. Make sure that you stir it. So I'm getting my plastic and covering our bowl. So as you can see, our plastic is not covering our bowl completely. Yes, look, it's beautiful, but the plastic is not covered all over. So you need a plastic, you need an elastic hairband to help you secure the ends. And please make sure that you are careful. You don't want to hurt yourself because the rubber band might slip off. So I'm starting over once more. So I've done that. Look, it's secured. So it's been 25 minutes and our tea is ready. I'm getting my jar and my strainer. So as you can see, the powder has settled on the bottom and the tea is on top. So don't stir it, just strain it the way it is. So those are the residues we don't want to be caught up in our hair. So I'm getting my spray bottle and the funnel and our tea. So I'm just pouring our tea in our spray bottle. It smells earthly, earthly. It isn't bad. So ashwagandha has proteins, vitamin C, iron, glucose, taxines, potassium, and nitrate, which are essential components for healthy hair growth. As it also improves blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn promotes the delivery of your follicles. So like I'm still in a protective hairstyle in twist, yes. So I'm getting my spray bottle, I'll spray it all over my hair and my scalp. So ashwagandha conditions your scalp and hair. In the stimulation of DHEA production caused by ashwagandha can increase the production of collagen and sebum on your scalp. This keeps the hair loss at bay, and it also helps the scalp and the hair texture conditioned while repairing your dry hair and brittle hair. So ashwagandha controls your scalp irritation with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It improves the overall health of your hair follicles. It controls scalp ailments such as dandruff, itching, psoriasis, eczema, and other allergies caused by inflammation. So ashwagandha is best known for controlling postpartum hair fall caused by hormonal imbalance in women. Yeah. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so. Thank you so much. Comment in the section below. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.